Good morning. Just with the new term, I thought it'd be prudent to kind of just hash over some of the things that may have been forgotten as far as procedure and things like that go from last term. So the biggest thing is that assignments will close 2 weeks after they're issued. Just we had a little bit of a hiccup with students requesting things that they be unlocked and whatever, which I'm not going to do. So we will issue an assignment. So week 1, right? We're in term 2, week 1. So as we move along, that assignment that's issued today is eligible to be submitted all of this week, right? That's week 1. All of next week, and then at week 3, the first day of week 3, they will close, right? So you have 2 weeks to turn them in. I think before this I said they're open for 2 weeks or whatever, but they're open for the week they're issued and then the week that follows, and then they close. We just had it was a mess. Don't worry about it. Next up is I want this to really function. We'll skip all the details. This will be very much a go do the assignment, submit it. Here's your feedback. Then make corrections if you want to, and resubmit X, Y, and Z type images. Okay. So this photo 2, you guys are much more autonomous. I want this to kind of run like a classroom where you get to sort of work as you will. I'll be issuing lectures and things like that, but really I want this to function like your classroom where you're just here to work, like a studio space, right? So I'll issue the assignments, and those are more or less the guideposts for you to progress through our standards. I think that's it. Sorry, let me check my notes. Yeah. So biggest thing for us is that we are starting that autonomous period, right, where you can come in and work. And should you need help with Photoshop, you can come in, or if you have Photoshop at home, right, you can always hit me up on Zoom and we can chat it out. I want to mention that the standards that are on the curriculum, which are what like all legal basis for funding and for attendance and things like that are based off of, stipulate specifically that you need a DSLR camera and you need access to Photoshop in order to take this class. So I had a little bit of rub with some of the Photoshop assignments because not everybody has Photoshop at home, and I appreciate that. And if you don't have Photoshop at home and you're not totally stressed out about coming into the class, like you should be coming in to complete those Photoshop assignments. And then if you don't, I'm still working on that, how to issue points that will sort of meet the same standards. So anyway, okay, so enough about that. Hope you're all doing well, and welcome to the new term. Let's all do well and get A's and be good photographers and all those things. See you around.